Hi, it's Cindy A. Lewis here today, and I wanted to spruce up my kitchen. So I've added this bow and some ribbon to my cabinet, and I wanted to show you how simple and easy it is and really inexpensive. So I'm going to show you that really quick, and this is the one that I've already done. Really simple, and you just use what you have, except for the ribbon and the bow. Of course, you got to get that. But the other supplies, super simple and easy. To put the bow like a present onto your cabinet, you're going to need ribbon. And this is the ribbon that I chose from Walmart. It's 35 feet on the roll for $3.98. I thought that was an excellent deal. I chose the bow to match, which was $1.98. And this is, I chose 4 of them, so $1.98. And then I'm going to have ribbon left over, just to let you know. Then I'm using just some packing tape to adhere it to the back side and a little to the front just to hold it in place. It only has to last for 9 days because Christmas is just around the corner. Then you're gonna need scissors, and I used a measuring tape because I wanted to make sure that where I placed the bow was on the same place for all of my cabinets, so that whenever you look at it from the side, it looks even. Now I'm doing 4 cabinets, so I'm doing like every other one. And then I added a little bit here by the refrigerator to you know, like finalize it, and then I put a bell on the end to kind of help it hold it down because it's actually hiding a cord. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to measure your cabinet door and then give yourself a couple of inches on either side of your ribbon. So you're basically going to wrap it around like this. You're just wrapping it around to the inside. And I'll show you that real quick. Okay, so this is wired ribbon, and so you can see I'll just put the tape here, and I will put the tape down here, and it's going to hold it on. So you want to make sure you get it in the middle. Okay, and if you do not want to use tape, you can use like a glue dot or something like that. And then when you look back at it, if it doesn't seem to be even, it's easy to fix, so just straighten it out. Next, I just rolled a piece of tape and I stuck it behind here just to give it some stability to help hold my bow on. Now I'm going to put the bow on. Okay, now this bow has a twisty tie, so I put it behind the ribbon and just kind of see where I want it. And I'm just going to give it a loose tie because I'm actually going to put some rolled tape behind it. I know it's kind of hard to see. Let me see if I can scoot that up a little bit. I don't have a really great angle here, but you get what I'm saying. Now the other thing is I measured a foot, so I need to bring this down so that it meets like the other one. So let me show you so you can see. Like this. Okay, now once I've tied that twisty tie around this 2-inch ribbon here going vertically, I just hid it behind there. And now I want to make sure that my ribbon, my bow, is about a foot down. That's how high I'm doing mine. So now that I've got this here, I'm going to put a little roll of tape here and here to hold up the loops, and then a little behind each tail so that I can make sure that it stays up for the 9 days that I need. And there you go. It's really simple and easy, and it adds such a decorative look to your cabinets. And I will show you here this little strip that I put a little bell on, and I may add 1 or 2 on the ends. I'm not sure yet, but I have plenty of ribbon left over. So let me show you the other side. This is the first cabinet that I did, and then I did these 2, which look adorable. There you go. And then I do have my cabinet a little bit decorated with some lights you can't really see, and I'm doing laundry, so if you saw laundry. And my little plate from the Dollar Tree here. And then this little salt and pepper shaker is from Walmart. I think it was $5.98. And this little ornament here is from the Dollar Tree. I snatched it when I found it because they were really hard to find. This little sign is from the Dollar Tree, along with Have Yourself a Merry Christmas little red truck mugs. And then this little red truck was from Walmart for $1.98. And then this little van with the tree on it for $1.98 as well. And then I have this hello sign. These are my Christmas cards right there. And so I put some little lights from the Dollar Tree that are battery operated. So I think it looks pretty cute. And my husband's going to be very surprised because it wasn't like this when he left on his trip. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll give it a thumbs up. And that you'll come back and we'll do some more videos. And maybe you will decorate your cabinet. I'd love to see your decorations as well. And at the end of this video, I'm going to put a couple of other things that I've done in my house so you can see that. Of course, it's not a house tour. Haven't done all that yet, but it's a little bit, so you might be interested. So this little alcove is in between my living room and my hallway, and I love this little deer. It is so adorable. And then this little Christmas tree. These are from Old Time Pottery, and the LED branch lights I've had forever. I don't even know where I got them. Now this vase is made with candy canes, as you can see, and I made this last year and managed to save it, and it is still held together really nicely. And there is a video on this on my channel if you're interested, and I'll post it below. The lights are not, the candles are not on because they are on a timer. Sorry about the chair there. They are on a timer, so they're not on yet. It's not dark enough. Okay, this is just a little snowman display that I created in front of my desk, and I'm going to be adding something to the center here, and I'm still working on that. So that's just one of those things. Now, leading into my kitchen, I have these little gingerbread people, and they're so cute. And I just have them in this little space right here by my sink. And up here on the wall is where I hang all my cards. And you're thinking, oh, she didn't hang any cards. And actually, I have cards, but I just haven't hung them up yet because I like to make sure that I've sent back a card. And then right now, this is my little Christmas village. A couple of these are from the Dollar Tree, and then some are ones that we picked up at Big Lots years and years ago. So this is just kind of how I set it up this year. And then I have this little Santa praying over baby Jesus, and that is something I've had forever. It is a piece that is even numbered, so it's a really cool piece, and I've kept it forever and ever. So anyway, and then on my TV stand, you can see my little reindeer here. He's so cute. And the Merry Christmas sign, my faux birch logs that are in DIY, and then these little miniature scenes. I went ahead and just put them here if I didn't get that out of the shot. So anyway, that's just that's on my TV stand. It looks really cute. So anyway, there's some more that I've got to do. I've been working so much that I haven't had a lot of time to decorate, and I'm looking forward to having some time to do that. So anyway, thanks for watching.